Hello and welcome to my channel Mission 4 Walls. I also have a blog and a Teacher Pay Teacher store by the same name. Today I want to share with you a tutorial on how to set up your Google Classroom. First I'm going to go to google.com and then I'm going to click on this tab over here. Make sure I'm in the right account. This is my personal account. I'm going to go to the account I use for my school. And then I'm going to click right here where you have these little boxes, Google Apps, and then go to Google Classroom. If it doesn't show up here, I've found that you can Google in the Google search bar Classroom and then you'll find it. So my Google Classroom has several classes in it, and depending on your specific situation, for example, you might be using an online gradebook platform where you can click on a link within it and get your Google Classroom set up with your students' names and emails already in it, and that is the best in most cases. But in some cases, you might have a different grading platform than, for example, I do. So that's a good thing to check with your administration. But in my case, I have a gradebook platform that I can click on a link, and most of these classes got set up for me. Just initial setup, that is. But for example, this one has students in different grades within it. And so then I created these Google Classrooms, British Literature and American Literature, so that I could separate assignments out without having too many things listed in my gradebook. That just worked for me. And so either way, it may still benefit you to know how to add a class manually if you have to do that. And so it's actually very simple. Go to the plus sign right here at the top corner and click on it. It says join class or create class. If you've received an invitation, you would pick join class, but you're creating the class. So click create class. Okay, now we're going to name the class. I'm going to call my class practice class, since this is a mock classroom, just for the sake of example. Okay, section, if you have, say you have a physics class, but you have two different class periods that you meet, you might put in a section, or that might not matter. Your subject, room number, if applicable. I'm going to leave those blank and hit create. Okay, so now I have a class, all right? And it's really that simple. Now the next step would be to add people. So up here at the top you have stream, that's like your home page. Classwork is where you would add assignments. People is where you add your students, or if you have a co-teacher, you would add them. And grades is where you can see all the grades you've inputted from classwork. We're going to go to people, okay? If you are adding another teacher to your class, you would add them here. If you are adding students, you would add them here. All right, type in name or email. This is where you would type in their email, and you would click here for invite. And that's all there is to it. They should be getting an email from you, and then they will be in your specific classroom. In upcoming tutorials, I'm going to share with you how to create specific types of assignments, and it should be applicable to whatever your subject area is. You can just adjust the tips to benefit you and fit your specific needs. So check my playlist for other tutorials. This is it for now. Mission 4 Walls signing out. Thank you.